One evening, I'm standing in the gallery looking at the sky, asking the questions and releasing the worries. And the reply came: Sky has no limit until and unless you set the boundaries. And a cup of tea in my hand has cooled and chilled enough that I even forgot that I'm holding it. I found the next moment tears were rolled down on my cheeks, and I feel nature heals the broken and the God has the existence. Again, again I am looking at the sky. But this moment, I am not releasing the grief that I hold. Instead, I saw a new version of my own, saying to sky that yes, I have dreams and one day I will achieve it. I try harder to make my life better. Instead of complaining the flaws and fixing myself in the society's norms, I am happy to live long and alone. To smile and let me feel blessed, even though you thought I am not. I am me. Yes, you don't like the way I choose and the things I do. But I am a girl hearing to you and listening to me. I now trust my instinct, believe my capabilities, and letting the people that bother my peace and questioning my existence. I moved on. Every day I moved on. My heart is broken, but I am not. Yes, I am a girl which you think I can't stand. But sorry, I am going to take a prayer and stand to feel you the shame on the word that just kills my heart. I keep on moving. I keep on moving. Instead of rereading the last chapter, I found to create the new one. Life has many more lessons to come, and I need to go and grow through them. This journey is not the story to tell, but the poem to understand. I am crossing the boundaries and building the hills to all the rational ones who want me to be fixed rather to be free. Yes, the things gonna change. People might change or might not, but definitely I'm gonna change myself, not for the society, but for me. And that change is not the temporary effect of hallucination, but the permanent effect on the scratches that are still trying to heal. I'm gonna wake up myself to achieve the dreams which no one could imagine. I want the people who are happy at my disabilities, I'm going to show them how differently I'm able to. You see my flaws, I see my strength. You focus on my mistakes, I focus on my lessons. Just because I'm quiet and silent girl, that doesn't mean I can't speak. I choose my actions wisely and spoke only when it's necessary. So stop judging my story by the path you have walked in, because there are many more unfolded truth and unreleased darkness which you might not aware of. I keep on moving. I am just feeling blessed about the things which I have already. And I think that's what life could be. Just be yourself, encode with the enthusiasm and energy, and let the world decode you. Either they find the real you, or may lose you completely, or may lose you completely.